Question number 4. The pH of 0.1 m aqueous solutions of the following compounds increases in the order of. So here the 4 different compounds are given. Then what is the correct increasing order of pH of the solutions? Here what the given condition is, all the 4 solutions have same concentration, that is 0.1 m. Concentration of all the solutions same only. Now what is the correct order of? Clear the increasing, clear the pH value. Now the first one, just you see here, you take all the 4 compounds. Now first one, sodium chloride, NaCl. The sodium chloride is salt of strong acid and strong base. You know, NaCl is obtained from sodium hydroxide and HCl. Therefore, NaCl is the salt of strong acid and clear the strong base. And if you take salt of strong acid and strong base, the pH will be exactly 7. Therefore, the pH of this one is clear how much? 7. And the next one, you take ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. If you take ammonium chloride is salt of ammonium hydroxide and HCl. Please remember, ammonium hydroxide is weak base, HCl is simply strong acid. Therefore, ammonium chloride is salt of strong acid and weak base. Salt of strong acid and weak base. Now, the aqueous solution of salt of strong acid and weak base have pH less than 7. Strong acid means pH less than 7. Therefore, here in case of ammonium chloride, pH value is clear the less than 7. Third one is NaCl. NaCl, sodium cyanide. And if we take sodium cyanide is salt of sodium hydroxide and HCl. Sodium hydroxide is strong base, HCl is weak acid. This one is the salt of strong base and weak acid. The salt of strong base and weak acid. Strong base, weak acid salt, when you take in aqueous solution, its pH value will be the more than 7. So therefore here the pH value is the greater than 7. Now the fourth one is HCl. So HCl is straightforward, this one is the strong acid. Therefore the pH value is clear the very less than 7, because when you take strong acid, its pH will be 1 to 2 or less than 3 only will be there normally when you take simply, because here this one is 0.1 molar is given. Then if it is strong acid, the pH will be the 1 only. That's why the pH of strong acid very less. Now you see the 4 NaCl's pH is 7, ammonium chloride pH less than 7, sodium cyanide pH greater than 7, HCl pH is very less, that is equal to 1, because the concentration is given. But here we have to find the increasing order of similar pH value. The least pH is for HCl, ammonium chloride less than 7. Next one NaCl 7, NaCl simply more than 7. So therefore, in the second option you see here HCl, ammonium chloride, NaCl and simply NaCN. So this is very important one. Okay.